guys, this is Teacher Aaron and welcome back to my channel. So nice to see you again. Parang may bago. Yes, kung makapansin nyo bago yung damit ni Teacher, bakit daw bago? Pili ko lang naman guys kasi wala na akong damit. At ako namang swak yung presyo sa budget ko kaya kinuha ko na. So guys, if you want to buy branded t-shirt, you could send a message to Ma'am Romerlin Pod for your order. They are having a live selling on Facebook guys, and affordable po ang clothes nila, and I'm sure na magugustuhan ninyo. Anyways, let's start your journey to become an ESL teacher. Are you ready? Let's go! Oops! Post muna tayo! Para po sa mga disclaimer dyan, I'm just helping those people who are looking for a job. And we don't need to be perfect all the way for you to get the position that you're looking for. As long as you are willing and confident enough, you're in. So let's continue. So today guys, I'm going to help you apply at 5-1-Top. But first, let us get to know what is 5-1-Top. 5-1-Top is a leading online educational platform that allows young students from China to learn the English language through qualified home-based English teachers from the Philippines. 5-1-Top has been listed in the New York Stock Exchange since 2016. What are the requirements to become a 5-1-Top teacher? So let's go to the basic qualification. The applicant must be a college graduate with a bachelor's degree, proficient in speaking the English language with a neutral accent. So in this part guys, as long as you can speak English, though it's basic, and you are confident enough, you can apply. A valid diploma, MBA clearance, or any government ID. Experience in teaching English to young learners and adults is an advantage, and a teaching certificate like TESOL, TEFL, TEYL, etc., or a professional teacher's license is preferred. And for the technical requirements, a desktop or laptop, at least Windows 7 to 10, Core i3 to Core i7, and the memory is at least 4 GB of RAM, a high-definition external or integrated webcam with at least 720 pixels resolution, a wired DSL internet connection of at least 3 to 5 Mbps. Take note guys, wireless connections are not allowed, so you must install a stable internet connection. And the teaching environment must be a quiet, clutter-free, and well-lit space in your home with a plain white background. Let's sign up to their website.
Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna show you how to sign up on their website. You go to search bar and type 51top.ph, then click. Alright, and of course you have to put your first name, let's say Aldrin, and the middle initial, okay, Cedro, and the last name would be Mendoza. Okay, and of course your email address, let's say aldrin45@gmail.com, and your mobile number, let's say 0912-443-4568. Alright, and your password. Guys, here at 5-1-Top, they have their default password, so you have to use 5-1-Top. That would be your password for your entire journey here at 5-1-Top. Okay, so after clicking the sign up button, you will be filling out the form. Okay, in that form, they are going to ask you if you have your experience in teaching and what certificates you have. Is it TESOL, TEFL, or professional teacher's license? Okay, and okay, what else? Yeah, the character references. So you have to provide the name and the contact numbers of your character references. And after that, okay, is the signing agreement. Then after signing the agreement, you will be choosing your schedule for the training. So it's up to you. When is your availability? Okay, so I can't just click the sign up, guys, because I don't want to have another account here. It's prohibited, guys. I'm just trying to let you know. Don't you worry, it's so easy to fill out the form.
So let's now move on to the process of application. Let's start with the basic qualification. First is the initial interview. The interviewer is going to ask you to introduce yourself, including your educational background and working experiences. Don't you worry, guys, any related experiences will do. And she is going to ask you, why made you decide to leave your previous company? So you have to be honest. In this job, guys, you are going to cater a Chinese young learner. And you have to think, how do you handle a student who has no willingness or interest to learn? Remember this, guys, this will be the next question. So be careful how you will answer this. We knew that it's so hard to get the attention of those students, especially if they are doing unnecessary things during the test. I'm going to give you tips on how to answer this question. For me to handle those kind of students, first, I will prolong my patience. And I could use my talent in singing and dancing. Use some props like stuffed toys, puppets, in order to give them a friendly environment. And of course, I'll give them rewards for them to appreciate my efforts as their teacher. Next is she will be asking you to sing a nursery rhyme. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Bingo song. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, this old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my town with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give us a good bone. This old man came rolling home. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Guys, it is not important kung tintunado ka, kung hindi ka magaling kumanta, hindi problema yan, guys, sa ESL. As long as mapasaya mo yung bata and alam mo yung kinakanta mo. Guys, hindi singing competition, guys, kaya huwag kayong matakot. And after that, the interviewer will let you know the result right that day. So, if you pass, congratulations! Yes, and you will have your technical check. So, remember, be prepared and complete your requirements for technical check. Okay? Then after the technical check, you will have your pre-orientation. On the pre-orientation, they will discuss to you further the background of the company. Discuss to you the pros and cons, important things that the teacher must do during the entire training session. Then after the pre-orientation, you will be endorsed to the entity or the trainee. So basically, they are going to train you how to handle a student during class. This is an online, so you must know the things that you must exert. The most important, the approaches. They will teach you the perfect approach on how to get the attention of those students. As I have said, props like stuffed toys, puppets, and rewards will help you to get the attention of those students because they will get some happiness from it and they will enjoy the class. And after that training, your trainer will be your evaluator for the demonstration. Don't you worry, the material is provided and you are going to review and study the lesson for you to be prepared for the demonstration. And once you pass the demonstration, you will be endorsed to the final demonstration. In the final demonstration, one of the representatives coming from China will be your evaluator. So you must be ready, be confident, friendly, and be engaging. The material for this final demonstration is also provided. And then, if you pass the final demonstration, you will now have your onboarding. And that onboarding, they will teach you how to plot your schedule and also how to navigate the My page. So that's all for today, guys. Good luck, and I hope that you will pass this application. If not, we still have the chance. We could apply to other companies. That's why I want you to be always updated with my videos. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for you to be updated for more videos I'm going to upload. I'll see you again, guys. Goodbye.